We all have walked the same path where your child is having a gala time, sketching all around the walls, floor, and about everything that is in their reach. Paints all over their fingers, trying to be encouraging. And then you ask, "What are you making?" She looks at you with the exclamation mark expression. Why? Well, she hadn't given it any thought. Our kids are masters of the moment. For them, feeling is more important than the end product. The feeling of smearing the paint, sparkle of the glitters when it is all over the hand and surface, and many more. I'm sure you know what I mean. But when children grow older and become adults, they are trapped in the mindset of right and wrong and often are told what not to do. In learning so many don'ts, they become a lot more self-conscious, which results in focusing more on creating a perfect end product than actually enjoying the feeling of doing it. For we parents, it is hard to accept the fact that our child is actually investing his or her time in doing something which does not have any end result. Well, I would say, let go. Allowing your kids to enjoy the process of creation can reap big benefits. Children will be better off in the long run if they are allowed just to be in the moment and express themselves. The neurotransmitter involved in controlling the brain's pleasure and reward centers, dopamine, may be linked to the abilities in creative thinking pattern. Yet, none of this suggests that creative talents are innate. There are no single creativity gene. In fact, it is widely accepted that genetic inheritance of creativity is malleable. What we inherit is potential, which is a range of possibilities. Although some children may be born with a stronger tendency for creativity compared to others, but remember that every child has room for growth. As said by Eklund Flores, fostering creativity won't just increase your child's chances of becoming the next Picasso. You are also helping him develop mentally, socially, and emotionally. In case you are wondering how creative learning can help your child, well, then you must know that creative activities can boost young children's ability to analyze and problem-solving skills in myriad ways. When they go through the process of creative learning and creative expression, their motor skills improve to a great deal. By counting pieces and colors, they learn the basics of math. Most important perhaps, when kids feel good while they are creating, art helps boost self-confidence, and children who feel able to experiment and to make mistakes feel free to invent new ways of thinking, which extends well beyond the craft room. In this course, we are going to discuss in detail the step-by-step process which you can walk your child through to make them a creative learner and an achiever. We have included many exercises and divided the course into 8 sections, each section focusing on the different aspects of creative learning for your child. In this course, we will help you understand the child's psychology and you can help them in their creative journey. Being parents, I know the toughest thing is to have your child express their feeling to you. We have covered this most important aspect of the creative self-expression through different exercises and fun methods. Myself and my fellow instructor Libby have spent a great deal of time and effort in researching and interviewing parents in knowing what exactly is missing in our society when it comes to creative learning for our children. After extensive works of few months, we have created this course, which will cover most of the aspects to help your child to become a creative learner and benefit in all aspects of their life. So let's get started. I will now welcome my friend and your fellow instructor Libby, who is a psychotherapist, counselor and a therapeutic life coach, to walk you through the importance of fostering creativity among children. So let's get started.